crafty friends, it's Tiffany from Totally Tiffany, and I am so excited to tell you today that the storage and supply cases are back in stock. So we've got all 3 of the original storage and supply cases back in stock. So that is your 2-drawer storage and supply case, your 4-drawer storage and supply case. Do I have to say it? Washi, 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 your 6-drawer storage and supply case. And one thing you may not know about these handy dandy supply cases, you can open them up, roll back that lid, stack them up on your desk, and now you have created this tiny yet super useful drawer system so that you can get to your supplies while you're working, and then you can close up those drawers. Doing this upside down and backwards. Look at, see, I can even do it that way. Close up those drawers when you're ready to travel, or put them back on your shelf. Really handy, really easy, back in stock. Pop onto the website and pick yours up today.